In today's build, I show you how I made this vertical slat wall with LED accent lights for my buddy's YouTube studio backdrop. So the first step with making our slat walls, we got to cut our boards to length. So we're going to take our 2x12s, and we're going to cut them down to 81 inches tall. I didn't eat chocolate though. I wish I did. Heavy. Once the boards are all cut to length, now we need to cut the actual slats. We're going to make them 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Lots and lots of cuts. Once all the slats are cut, we're going to send them through the drum sander until we get a nice clean face. Now we're going to cut a rabbet in 2 of our slats. So now we'll put this on the wall and the LED will go right here. And here we're going to make a mark for our first slat to go onto the wall. So to attach the first slat, we'll use our level, line it up with our mark, make sure everything's straight, and nail it into the wall. The next slat, we have a spacer we put in between the first slat, pinch it tight, nail it away. Then continue the process until all your slats have been attached. Quick sand to make sure everything looks good. And then we're on to paint. And now we're going to attach the LED lights. To attach the LED strips, it has a self-adhesive backing to it. Just peel and stick.
This little stool is not very balanced.
A little new in that.
Then a quick wipe down.
Yeah, looks great.
And the reveal.
Does that look all right?
Oh, I feel like we're like in Star Wars.
Click the video on screen if you want to see the full build of the ultimate YouTube studio backdrop.